Alright everybody, what's the deal? This tutorial right here is to demonstrate how it is to exactly install the EasyCap DC60 model on Windows 7. At first I thought it was going to be a simple plug and play installation. I failed to realize when I was ordering it that it wasn't compatible with Windows 7. So, you know, it took me about an hour and some shit to go ahead and actually get the shit up and running. It took me like another hour to actually get it functioning to the quality that I wanted to run at. So I'm gonna go ahead, let y'all skip 2 hours of work, watch this 5-minute video, and show y'all exactly how to get to where I'm doing it. Basically, what you want to do, start off by downloading the zip folder that's posted in the description. It's the EasyCap CD driver. Oops. The EasyCap CD driver plus Windows 7 32-bit zip folder. Once you download that, go ahead and open up the folder, unzip it, open up the folder. You'll have these pretty much. What you want to do, I provided the actual CD with the folder, basically because when I got mine in the mail, it was a piece of shit CD. As soon as I opened it up and popped it in my CD tray, it fucked up. Like, the shit just scratched off. Anyways, I put that in there for y'all. I had to search for that too. There's a program called Descaler. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to install that properly as well. But first off, you want to start with these EasyCap drivers. Well, you want to go ahead and go to Devices and Printers. This is when you plug in your USB device. Keep in mind that it's gonna fail to install once you plug it in. It's not gonna be able to find drivers for it. So what you want to do is load it up. Go to Device and Printers tab in the Start menu. I don't know if y'all seen that, but go ahead and go there. Devices and Printers. It's taking too damn long. Alright, basically, oh my god, are you serious? Okay, now that it's up, you want to go down. You want to go down to where there's going to be a tab that's unspecified. It will say USB 2.0 video capture controller. I'm not sure if that's what yours will say. But I know I have a little yellow cautious icon next to it saying that pretty much the drivers won't install properly. So you want to go ahead, right click it, click Properties, and go over to Hardware and click the Hardware tab, and click Properties again. This will bring up the driver properties. You want to go over to driver and click Update Driver. Go to Browse My Computer for this, and what you want to do is browse to where you unzip the folder at, and browse to the location of the folder. I think I have it on my desktop. Yeah, I do. And open up the folder EasyCap CD. And depending on which system you have, this does make the hell of a difference. I have a 32-bit system. I don't know why that shit will not let me run with the 32-bit driver. I had to use a 64-bit driver. I don't know. So you might run into the same issue. Just go ahead, you know, test them out, see which one you want to use. It makes the hell of a fucking difference. I was pissed off for the longest. All you want to do is click the default. If it says Windows 32-bit, you want to go ahead and click that one and click the STK1160 driver and click OK. If you're running the 64-bit, you pretty much just want to click EasyCap. Just click that main folder, the main subfolder, and click OK. I'm not going to do it because it's going to install it again, and I don't want to go through that process. But it's fairly quickly, and it'll install, and it should be working properly from then on out. Now that you have that set up, you want to go to Descaler in the installation in the folder that I provided with you. Go to Descaler. It's a setup file, so go ahead, run the setup, let it install. It shouldn't take that long. I'm gonna go ahead and walk y'all through that as well, seeing that some people might have trouble. run. Just click next. Agree to the fucking user agreement. Next. You'll get up to this page. Just select components. Just click next again. Create a desktop icon. Go ahead and click next, and it'll ask you to install. Go ahead and install it. It shouldn't take but like not even that long, and that's it. And next, you want to run Descaler. I can't actually run it right now because my system is so slow. It's taking so much of my system to actually record this. So I will provide screenshots of exactly what it is you want to do. Basically, you want to go ahead and run Descaler. And when you get Descaler up and running, alright, Descaler should come up once you go ahead and run the file, run the program. I'm sorry. You want to go ahead and click the Sources tab in the top corner. It should be the first tab, and you want to make sure that you want to scroll down and make sure that you select the USB 2.0 ATV. If you're running the 32-bit driver, I believe that it will say the STK 1150 or 60, depending on which one it is. So you want to go ahead, make sure that one's selected, and as soon as you select it, you should immediately see it come up if you have your video source hooked up. And that's about it. The quality on this is a lot greater than if you actually use the software that came with it. I wasn't fond of it at all. It came out crappy and shitty. So you want to go ahead and use that. And you can mess around with the settings a little bit. You can also record. You can actually record in this by going to the Actions tab and going to Recording. You can go to the options and set up different compression modes, whether you want an mp4, Windows movie file, whatever you know, depending on what you want to save it as. You can go to options and set it up there. But yeah, you can do everything in here. And as you can see, I got my PlayStation running on my laptop screen. So I hope this helped out a lot. I hope it saved a lot of time. And y'all enjoy, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. If you need help with anything, just leave me a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I appreciate y'all watching this.